Hey there, welcome to Warner's Workshop. Today, I'm going to show you how to install your Warner's wheel saddle onto your bike. The first step is to remove the old saddle from your bike. To do this, we loosen off the nut here and on the other side of the clamp until the saddle becomes free from the seat post. We've included a wrench with a 12mm opening and a 14mm opening. This wrench suits the new saddle, but it may not suit the saddle that's already on your bike. If it doesn't fit, then grab a shifting wrench from your tool kit at home and then loosen off the nuts. Now that the saddle clamp is loose, we can remove the old seat from the bike. To do this, we just basically pull straight up and wriggle from side to side if it's a little bit stubborn. Now that you've removed your old bike saddle, it's time to install your new Warner's wheel saddle onto your bike. To do this, flip it over and loosen off the two nuts either side of the clamp. When you loosen off the nuts either side, make sure you don't loosen the nut off too much that it falls off the thread. So now the nuts are loose, you can pick the saddle up, line it up with the seat post, and slide the clamp of the new saddle straight over the post like so. Once you've put the new seat on, make sure that the clamp is sitting all the way down over the seat post. You can do this by checking the back and making sure that the post is all the way through the clamp. Now that the saddle is in position, we can adjust the tilt to suit our preference. We recommend that you keep the seat level. You also need to make sure that the seat is facing straight, parallel with the frame. We're happy now with our adjustment, so now it's time to tighten up the saddle. When tightening the saddle, it's critical that we're tightening the clamp evenly on both sides. So do 2 turns on one side, and then go around the other side and tighten the nut on this side 2 turns. Once you have the 2 nuts on either side tightened super tight and evenly, and you're happy with the adjustment of the saddle, it's time to take your bike for a ride. I really hope this video has been helpful for you guys. If you have any questions at all, send us a message below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. From all of us here at Warner's Wheels, we want to thank you for choosing us. Now get out there and start riding.